How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do an intense workout to get veiny arms tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, dylanberg999. So this is going to be intense. Let's get started. First exercise is twists. That's 15, keep going. $30, keep going. $40, keep going. $50, perfect. Quick little break, you guys. Again, high repetitions. That's what's really gonna target the veins in your arms. Okay, next exercise we're gonna do is arm circles. This is another great exercise to do. So you're just gonna make circles with your arms like this. Try to make a complete circle if you can. It's 25, keep going, 26, 27, 20. It's 40, keep going. 50, perfect, you guys. Already 100 total repetitions. Next exercise we want to do is a squeezing exercise. So get your hands, squeeze really tight, and hold this for at least 20 seconds, you guys. But again, you have to squeeze really tight. If you don't squeeze, the exercise is not very good. So your arms should be pretty sore right now. They might even be shaking. Mine are shaking just a little bit, but keep holding if you can. And again, squeeze really hard, you guys. Keep going, 5 more seconds. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect, you guys. Quick little break, just a quick little break. And then we're gonna go straight back to the twist, which I find are amazing for veiny arms. That's 30, quick little break, you guys. And we're gonna go into arm circles. Perfect. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.